Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about cash stuffing, my journey to becoming debt free, and also my budget. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be stuffing $377. That is more than I typically actually stuff in my envelopes, but I have more envelopes now. But let's first go ahead and count all of the cash. All right, so we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. $377 is what we are going to be stuffing today. Like I said, that's more than I typically stuff, but I actually had a lot roll over from last month from unstuffing my one envelope, my laptop envelope. If you guys missed that video, I will go ahead and link it up above. But what have you guys been up to? I haven't been doing anything but keeping up with my budget, of course, and just relaxing, not doing anything this year so far. Let me know what you guys have been up to though. All right, so let's go ahead and start with my everyday binder. Everyday binder, I do have my paper over here of what I am going to be stuffing. So eating out is going to get $3. So 1, 2, 3. And of course I didn't write on my envelopes and I have to do it on camera. That gives us a total of $4 now. So now eating out has 1, 2, 3, 4. Spending money is going to get 14. So spending money is going to get a 10 and 4 ones. 14. So now spending money has 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All right, next is, oops, if I can get that in there, that would be lovely. Next is gas. Gas is going to get 1.5. So now gas should have 40. So 20, 30, 35, 40. Next is going to be medical. Oh, no, I see Joe's hair. Where's my medical? Okay, medical's after that. Joe's hair isn't going to get anything. That's why I have medical in there. Medical is going to get 5. And that's just going to be a $5 bill. Actually, I'm going to switch these 5s out for a 10. So now medical has 30. If you guys hear my godson, I am so sorry. He stayed the weekend with us. You guys, I am too old for a 2-year-old. Like, seriously, I need a new card because there's nothing on the back of that. Let me grab a new card for groceries. All right, got a new card, but like I was saying, I'm too old for a 2-year-old. I am exhausted this weekend. He be on 10. He be on 10, y'all. Like, I know y'all hear him screaming. I know you guys hear him screaming. So grocery, I recycle all of my, I recycle like everything I can recycle. So this is going to get recycled. It's not going in the trash, you guys. So groceries is going to get 100 and it's going to get 5 20s, I do believe. Yep. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And that's all groceries has so far for the month. Next is going to get, or it's going to be beauty. Beauty is going to get 15. And that's all. So Beauty now has, oh, it's gonna get 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is what Beauty has now. That's my I swear, I hope you guys cannot hear him and my husband going at it. That is so funny. Like, they be fake argument and whatnot. It'd be so funny. Next, clothing is going to get 5. And it's just gonna get a $5 bill, I do believe. Yep. Next is gonna be Joe's spending. I don't think that gets, oh, Joe's spending gets 7. So we'll give him 2 ones and a 5. 1, 2, 5. Uh-oh. So now Joe's spending has a lot of ones. So let's count it. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So, next, my hair is going to get $4. And that will make it 20. Let's see. I'll switch it out later on if I have to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now my hair should have 20, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I feel like the sun is going down and my, like, everything on the screen is dark now. So give me a second. I do not like, I mean, hope it isn't like too bothersome for you guys, but when I'm looking in the camera, it looked like it got darker. I have been recording videos for like the past 2 hours, so the sun was up nice. Zion is a new one. Let me get an envelope. Zion is my godson, and if I need to like buy diapers for him while he's with us, I'll have an envelope for him. So let me get a card right here. Zion, and we are going to give him 10. We'll just give him a $10 bill. So now he has just $10. And that is everything for my everyday binder. Let's move on to my sinking fund binder. So in my sinking fund binder, $20 savings challenge is going to get 20 every Friday. So I'm not going to do, oh, you know what? I do need to put one of the Fridays in here, and that is going to be the 28th. 28, so deposit plus 20 gives us $80. Oh, I'm sorry, let me count it. 20, 40, 60, 80 is what the $20 savings challenge is getting. And what that is I save $20 every Friday. Sam's Club is going to get 11, and it's just going to get 10 and a 1. So now Sam's Club has 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Not with that big old hole in this dollar bill. Sam's Club has 23. Next, car registration is going to get 20, and it's just going to get a $20 bill. Because that's coming up soon. It's going to be due pretty soon, so I increased what I'm putting into it. So now car registration has 2040. Next, vitamins is not getting anything, I don't believe. No, vitamins gets nothing. Student loans, they are going to get $9. And that's just going to be a 5 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now student loans should have 30, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next, P.O. Box is going to get 5. So now P.O. Box, did I already get the 5? I should hope so. Yeah, I guess so I did. So now P.O. Box has 20, 25. Laptop gets nothing. Dental gets nothing. Back to school gets 5. And I think I'm gonna have cash left over simply because it's for my $20 savings challenge. So I'm gonna just put all of it in there. So now back to school has 25. Next, travel is going to get $5. So now travel should have 85. 50, 70, 75, 80, 85. Next, taxes is going to get $19. Jeez. So 5, 10, 15. And I'm gonna have to switch some of this out for my everyday because I don't like for my sinking fund envelopes to be super big since they are sinking funds and we're saving for like a lot. So let's count what taxes has so far. And taxes, they're coming up soon too. So hopefully I have enough to actually pay it off by the time they're due. So taxes has now 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Taxes now have 120. And 1 month ahead, I still have not started putting anything in it. I should start putting like, you know what I'm gonna start doing? Putting my rollover in my 1 month ahead. That makes a lot more sense now. So starting in March, I'm gonna put my rollover in 1 month ahead. Yes. So, but this month, February, it's not going to get anything. Or for the month of February, it's not going to get anything. Next, we have our birthday binder. And oh wait, no one gets, I'm not doing any birthday this month. That's fine. Awesome. Well, not awesome, but that's fine. Holidays, let's see. Of course, New Year's, we don't need anything just yet. Valentine's Day is going to get 50. Yep. So 2, 1. Like I said, I wanted to get us like a couples massage. We'll see how much that actually costs and if I actually have enough money to do that. So now Valentine's Day has 50, 70. Father's Day is going to get, what in the world I done did, y'all? I done messed up. I just realized that I put an extra $10 in there. So apparently I didn't count correctly. How did I still count $377? Oh, I know why. I know why. Father's Day. Okay, so we'll give Father's Day. Oh, how did I mess this up? You guys, I don't know where I messed up except that I gave my godson. I just started that envelope. So, and I didn't budget for it really. So Father's Day, whatever, we'll give Father's Day 5. Because that's all I have left. Because this is for my $20 savings challenge. How did I mess up? Did I even count $377? You know what? I'm going to start using, I did, because that's all I took out of the bank. And then today I actually just started adding money to Zion's envelope. So that's where I messed up. Okay. Because I'm like, what is going on? But whatever. We'll just do 5 for now. And then I'll do it again once I go back to the bank. So now Father's Day has 510. And let's go ahead and just put this in the $20 savings challenge for the next 3 weeks after the 28th. So my sinking funds, I think that's where I have my $20 savings challenge. Yeah, $20 savings challenge. I'm just going to do it for the next 3 weeks, so I don't have to keep going to the bank since I already have the money right here. So that is gonna be the 4th. So 2/4, 2/11, and 2/18. That's what we're gonna deposit. Plus 20. That gives us 100. Plus 20, 120. Plus 20, 140. All right, so make sure we have 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. All right, I don't know. This is what I get for adding something at the last minute. Never do that again. I won't ever do that because I had already budgeted. Like I said, I had already budgeted before I started the Zion envelope. But that is all for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Do you ever call by?